This week we started HTML, CSS, and we're transitioning into JavaScript.
So this is the first week where we're getting to work in a browser, work with HTML, and actually see changes the instant they happen.
We are working on just like getting objects on the screen, trying to manipulate them a little bit, and seeing if we can get like a text messenger built.
This is the week where the flip sort of happens, where people who are really into solving logic problems get really mad because now we're solving design things that are there isn't a right answer, there's just, it looks good enough, as opposed to having a correct, concrete answer. The people that wanted concrete logic problems are now not enjoying it as much as the people that wanted to get to design.
This front-end stuff is a little bit more appealing to me than the back end of things. It's a lot easier to figure things out, in my opinion. Like the design elements, the logistical elements, those seem easier to figure out to me, which is nice to Google something and kind of understand what it means, instead of Googling something in C# or Ruby and being like, I have no clue what this is, I don't know what it means, and I don't know how to apply it.
As we did back end, it was much more difficult. But now that I kind of understand what the code is supposed to look like, it's not as hard, at least to read. So it's still somewhat difficult, but to me it seems like it's getting easier as we progress.
Some weeks are harder than others, and it's going overall well. I think we're feeling better as a group about asking questions and talking to each other about things. So now I feel like we're all communicating really well about what we need, which is great, so we can help each other.
Every time we start something new, it's a new headache, but you take it easier, if that makes sense. It's much easier to take than in the beginning where you were completely lost. Almost as if your first week was like you've never been in a fight before. And now it's like you've been in a few boxing matches, so you know you're gonna get hit, you know it's gonna be tough, but you kind of can resist it a little more.
You know, it's a good group, and we have a good teacher, and it's going really, really well overall, honestly.